So, to act with extreme integrity, extreme transparency, I actually cut off the last little bit of extreme integrity. So, whoops. Yes, how we act is how we are perceived, and our reputation outweighs profit every single time. So, you'll see that in any of the programs that we deliver. And yeah, that's key to us. Now, moving on to systems mindset, and you can get a little bit of a spoiler on the next and final core value. Our core value of systems mindset. So, the key to this is that people don't break, systems do. If something isn't going to plan, we are running the wrong system, or there is something wrong with the system. This applies to the systems we run, both our personal and our business life. So, to define a system is a method of solving a task or problem in a scientific, dependable, repeatable, and consistent way. We have systems to cover all the pillars of life and in business, from mental well-being to marketing processes. We use systems to achieve big things through small, consistent actions. And we use systems to act with integrity. We use systems to avoid variance from our core focus. So, if you think about systems and how that applies to our delivery, we have systems in place for all our processes, all our delivery, all our coaching, so that there's no variance in from one week to another. We have live coaching every week. Live coaching is exactly that. It's live. However, we have a system around that ensures that questions, when they're asked before the event, are answered. We have a system that ensures that you can achieve big things through consistent actions. And in terms of our program delivery, it means that by spending time implementing systems and investing the time, you can benefit from those systems going forward. So, in terms of a systems mindset, it's incredibly important the way that we work. And to revert back to this line, valuable output is the greatest measure, not hours put in. Anyone can be busy, but that does not equate to productivity. So, for example, one of my goals this quarter and this year for Amazon is to reduce the amount of time I'm spending on it whilst increasing revenue. So, yeah, you'll see a lot of sales figures and screenshots and things like that. However, what people won't talk about, they won't talk about so much the time that they actually spend in there. So we're fully transparent that we do genuinely work the hours that we say we do. On Amazon, everything is timed and monitored. And yeah, we can only do this with systems mindset in place. There's opportunities that come up. People approach us at iGen Entrepreneur. And one of the big questions that Luke will ask is, how do I systemize this? How do I turn this into a business rather than a job or a chore? So this is key to how we approach things at iGen Entrepreneur, by systemizing things. So hopefully that explains our systems mindset and how that benefits both our delivery and our clients. See you soon, because that room is on fire.